Welcome back to the e-commerce news bulletin, your daily briefing on marketplaces, direct-to-consumer brands, logistics, and seller news. Today is August 19th, 2026. The unofficial grey market where shares trade before listing has once again become a buzz with significant activity. Prices are moving higher following a string of strong recent listings that have captured investor attention. Higher grey market premiums represent the additional price investors are willing to pay over the official IPO price. This phenomenon indicates intense demand and speculation among retail traders who act ahead of the formal exchange process. Such volatility often reflects broader market confidence or specific hype surrounding particular technology or retail sector launches. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos is part of the 1892 Holdings consortium, which has purchased a 38% stake in Liverpool Football Club. This deal involves acquiring shares from the existing FSG ownership group while simultaneously holding an option to pursue a controlling interest. The acquisition signals continued investment by tech giants into traditional sports franchises as part of their diversification strategy. It remains unclear if Bezos intends to fully own the club or merely hold a substantial minority position for now. Reports suggest this move aligns with his broader interests in building legacy brands across different industries. Documents show that Binance provided client details used to charge Russian citizens for donations to Ukraine. While normal for companies to comply with legitimate law enforcement requests in countries where they operate, this case is notable due to the geopolitical context. The world's largest crypto exchange stated in 2023 that it had fully exited Russia from its operations. This creates a complex situation regarding jurisdiction and compliance as the company now operates primarily outside Russian borders yet still faces legal inquiries. Binance emphasized that cooperation with law enforcement agencies remains a standard part of their global regulatory framework regardless of regional exits. Kotak Mahindra Bank raised $650 million in its debut dollar bond sale from investors across Asia and Europe. People familiar with the details said they priced the 5-year notes at 108 basis points over the benchmark 5-year US Treasury. This pricing was notably tighter than the bank's initial guidance, which had suggested a range starting at 135 basis points. The successful issuance demonstrates strong investor appetite for Indian financial institutions issuing debt in foreign currencies. It also highlights Kotak's ability to manage risk and attract capital from international markets effectively. Thank you for watching today's bulletin on marketplaces and retail trends. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss a daily update on e-commerce news.